Did you know that over 30% of adults suffer from chronic leg pain, often due to poor circulation? Our feet comprise vessels, joints, nerves, muscles, and bones. Any of them can be injured, creating temporary foot pain. However, persistent pain in these body parts can be due to certain conditions. Such conditions are arthritis, varicose veins, back pain, venous thrombosis, atherosclerosis, nerve damage, or other more straightforward reasons such as humidity. In today's video, we're diving into a natural remedy that with just 1 spoonful a day, will help relieve pain in the legs, joints and bones, while improving and relieving their condition naturally. This natural remedy will also help regenerate cartilage and varicose veins. It is also excellent for osteoporosis, relieves knee pain, and can help you walk and do daily chores and activities more comfortably. So get ready to discover the #1 natural juice that could transform your daily life, offering instant leg pain relief and improved circulation. This beverage is a natural recipe for treating leg, joint, and bone pain. To make it, you will need the following ingredients: 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of oats, half a liter or 16 ounces of water, 1 whole lemon, for dried plums, and 1 tablespoon powdered gelatin. It is best to get organic oats if possible. Put the oats in a pot, add water, and cook at a low temperature for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. If the lemon is homegrown or organic, simply wash it very well. If not, clean it well and put it in a bowl with water, and 1 large tablespoon of baking soda. Thorough washing is important for cleaning off toxic chemicals, pesticides, and possible exhaust gas. Stir and rinse the lemon again, then let it sit in the baking soda water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oatmeal is ready in about 15 to 20 minutes, drain it into a glass jar with a lid, so that only the milk remains. You can eat the rest of the oatmeal plain, or add it to a breakfast or other meal recipe. To prepare this beverage, leave the oatmeal milk in the jar to cool, and then rinse the lemon with clean water. Cut off both ends of the lemon, remove the pips, slice, and then cut into smaller pieces horizontally and vertically, about 12 bits per lemon slice. Cut the plums into smaller pieces, about 3 to 4 for each plum. Add the lemon and plum pieces to the jar of oat milk. Add a teaspoon of powdered gelatin, preferably organic, and combine the whole mixture well. From this recipe, eat 1 tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach, making sure to have pieces of lemon and plum on the spoon. Eat it about 1 hour before breakfast, and then put the jar in the refrigerator for the remaining days, especially in summer. If you want to use this recipe again, let 10 to 15 days pass, and then prepare it for consumption. Remember that the pain in the legs, joints, and bones is sometimes excruciating, but this drink with its proven natural ingredients will help relieve and gradually reduce the pain. This natural recipe is not a quick fix but a gradual process that will help relieve and eliminate leg pain, naturally alleviating your condition over time. However, although the combination of these foods is healthy, it is best to ask your doctor before consuming it regularly. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know if you have ever tried this natural drink to relieve leg, joint, and bone pain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out on my next health tips and delicious recipes. Together, let's continue to support each other on this path to wellness. Also, if you're curious about how to prevent heart attack and stroke by 80% with the 15 best foods for heart health, while reducing heart attack risk naturally, watch the video on the left. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies.